All right, guys, we're gonna do a tip of the week. So on some patio doors, like this one, you might see a little hook latch, something like this. I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can see this a little bit better. Little hook latch. What I learned when I was struggling with one not too long ago was that this little hook actually can extend and retract. I learned that the hard way. So this little flathead screw right here, if you turn that thing clockwise, the hook actually extends. And if you turn it counterclockwise, the hook actually retracts into the door. So you can customize that hook and get it to latch properly in there by making it longer or shorter. So anyway, just a good tip for patio doors.